On the involvement of the UDP in illegal mining of coal in the state, CEM of KHDC Titas Khan stated that the party has no hand in the illegal mining activities of coal in Meghalaya.
Dengar ngam tip kata te lada don ru le si le ki le simet ngam tip sampai haduk mentah ngam tip ban don keti na yang as a party banya kai duyo kata ngam tip lada don ke illegal transportation mo kadang ka leakage te kamut ka kata ya ka share ke dun tena kadang ka jongi ni program ni ni tentu i sokar ba ka ban check bhai ni ka jing le khai be ai ten rei lada ka ngi ipat bakam saiso ngi ban si ba wat na ka district council lada ngi haban bu brio ban check.
Further, Titos Khan stated that as far as he knows, all mine owners need to register themselves according to the rules of the MMDR Act.
Kajik sutu jonga kalong ba ki try par gi kin haban register mo ki haban penbit penbiang kat kum ki kendon bala ai da ka MMDR Act te kasyong haki tenre nong kajing slam jing kloy tengah sau bakade kasyong haki nama la pli ka lanti te kasyong haki pat kum lu ban penbiang kita kajing don kam kat kum ka ai